Meet the UNV Whale Series analog cameras.
Hello, is Unv here?
The new series of our analog family. That includes Color Hunter HD fixed turret and mini bullet. And comes with metal casing design. Start easily with plug-and-play function. And get high-quality video image over coax. Easy to install, even for end users with limited expertise. Delivering colorful image and clear detail, indoor or outdoor. Record audio with image, and never lose any information.
Hello, is Unv here?
With Color Hunter LED light, you can still get colorful footage at dark. Use it wherever you want with high adaptability. This is UNV Whale Series.